Hello, this is going to be a 140 Q&A edited for privacy. Hand up is question, hand down is answer. Remember at the end to review your notes so you can check your accuracy. Okay, and we'll begin. So, are you like a go-between between the insurance company and or are you the representative of the insurance company towards your own defense counsel? Yes. Okay, and what are your duties as a corporate representative? I take depositions for Florida Property Insurance Corporation on claims pending in suit, as well as testifying in trial. Okay, and do you have an immediate supervisor at Bradley Johnson and Associates? There's an office manager, but the person that I report to is a Florida person, Tessa, Tessa, FAP, FAPP. And she works directly for Florida Property Insurance Corporation, correct? Yes, she's a manager. Okay, when did you first become involved in this claim? I got notification from the manager that this claim needed a corporate rep, and they asked me if I would take on the task of being the corporate rep. So let me see here, because I get so many of these things that September 30 of 2020. Okay, so prior to September 30th of 2020, you didn't have any involvement in this claim. Is that correct? Yes, that is correct. How many claims do you currently serve as the corporate representative for Florida Property Insurance Corporation? I don't keep a tab of the number. I have done over 500, so it varies. It can be 2 a week, 3 a week, maybe sometimes 1 a week. Okay, when you say you have done over 500 or you served as the corporate representative over 500 times for Florida, and what time period have you represented Florida in those 500 cases or more? From 2014 to the present. From 2014 to the present? Correct. Okay, now you mentioned that you are in Cleveland, Ohio currently. Is that where you are based out of? No, I was based out of Florida, but they said you can come work from home, so I'm working from home because the office is closed. Okay, so if it weren't for COVID and the office being closed, you would be in Florida right now. Is that what you are saying? Yes, that's what I'm saying. All right. Let's talk a little bit about your educational background. Did you graduate from high school? Yes. Did you go to college? Yes, I went to Fort Valley State University. I graduated in 1980 with a BA in economics, and it's in Fort Valley, Georgia. After Fort Valley State, did you go to any other colleges or universities? I went to Baldwin Wallace for a year to work on a master's, but I stopped. Baldwin, Baldwin, Wallace, Wallace. Now, some of these questions I'm going to ask you are standard questions. They're not meant to insult you in any way, but they are standard questions for a deposition. Have you ever been convicted of a crime? No. Prior to today's deposition, did you take any substance which would impair your ability to testify honestly and truthfully today? No. Is there any reason that you will not be able to provide honest testimony today? No. Do you currently hold any professional licenses? I have an all lines insurance license for the state of Florida as well as the state of Texas. I received Florida in 2005 and Texas in 1995. Are both the licenses in Florida and Texas active? Yes. Okay, have either of your licenses ever lapsed or been suspended or revoked for any reason? No. Your all lines adjuster license in Florida, is that a residence license or a non-residence license? Non-residence license. What did you have to do to get your non-residence license in Florida? You have to take tests. Okay, so I presume you took these tests, passed them, and you got your license. You are presuming right. That's the only way you're going to get them. All right, and do you have to maintain those licenses by doing any continuing education? Yes, and it's current. It's not due until 2021 in June. Okay, so that's the end of this take. Remember to go back and go over your notes so that you can check your accuracy and any misstrokes.